Step 1. Assemble the head. Turn the stem and remove the screws. Put the handlebar and assemble the head. Step 2. Install the plate on the front wheels. Step 3. Assembling front wheel. The plate and front brakes are on the same side. Fix and lock the fork. Step 4. Reminder. If you feel that the center hole is not aligned with the tire center, you need to adjust both sides. Step 5. Assemble the seat and back fender. Remember to lock it. Put the fender into the seat too. Assemble and fix the seat. Then install the front fender and fix it. Step 6. Install the pedal. Step 7. Check and adjust the front brake. Step 8. Check and adjust the rear brake. Step 9. Double check the shifting. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled the Luan the mountain bike.